Hello, everyone. This is Rhonda of VirtueWorksForYou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online via content marketing and attraction marketing on a hectic schedule with ease. And today's topic is what size to make your Pinterest images. What size to make your Pinterest images. As I have stated in a previous video a while back, images matter on Pinterest. So you want to make sure that your images are the right sizes so that they will show up correctly in the Pinterest feed and that people will see them. So I have visited businesspinterest.com. That is the Pinterest's business website. So it's business.pinterest.com. And first of all, images on Pinterest need to be vertical. Okay. Now I see people posting square images and horizontal images, but Pinterest prefers vertical pins, aka images. So I'm going to read to you a little bit about how to go about sizing your images on Pinterest. Now, first, I'm going to read this little piece from their business site talking about aspect ratios when it comes to making pins. Then I'm going to give you a list of Pinterest image sizes, Okay, so it says understanding aspect ratios. So when you pick images for Pinterest, think vertical. Most of our formats are vertical and taller than they are wide. In our creative best practices, we recommend that you use a 2:3 aspect ratio for all your pins. Aspect ratio may sound complicated, but it's just a way to talk about images width compared to its height. A 2:3 aspect ratio means that your image's width is 2/3 its height. For example, your pen could be 1,000 pixels wide by 1,500 pixels tall. If your image falls outside this ratio, it could get truncated in people's feeds and they won't get to see your full pen. Here's some other image dimensions that represent a 2:3 aspect ratio. So I'm not going to read these widths and heights. I'll read that a little later. As I told you, I will give you a list of image sizes for Pinterest. Okay, so I am going to put this link in the comments, or let's say the description box, so that you can read more on these quick tips about sizing your images for Pinterest from Pinterest business website. Okay, so as I've said before, I make all of my Pinterest images inside of Canva. Canva is this graphic design tool that many people use for its business. A lot of entrepreneurs use that site to create their images for all social media platforms and for brochures, documents, all types of things they need for business. So number one, your profile headshot and photo on Pinterest should be 180 by 180 pixels. Number two, your cover photo should be 1280 by 720 pixels. Now, as you know, in my last video in which I talked about your Pinterest cover photo, I experimented by using the YouTube thumbnail template and it worked out just fine. Now, also you can use 217 by 146 pixels. Okay, for your cover photo. Number 3, blog graphic, 800 by 1200 pixels. Your board cover, 600 by 600 pixels. And the infographic, 800 by 2000 pixels. And just a graphic just for Pinterest, because Canva has a graphic template that just says for Pinterest. So that'd be 735 by 1102 pixels. Okay, so if you are using Canva, or any other graphic design tool, they already have the dimensions for images for all social media platforms already figured out for you. You just choose a template. You don't have to figure it out yourself. So that takes some work off of you. And like I said, these sizes that I just read off to you is for Pinterest images that are made inside of Canva. Okay? And so I am going to also place these image sizes in the description box along with that link where you can go and read more about Pinterest image sizes on Pinterest's for Business website. Okay, so that you will know what sizes to use. If you are new to Canva, or you just new to Pinterest image size, you may use some kind of other tool, and you may not know, they may not have the dimensions set up for you, so you know the sizes to use. So I'm gonna put these Pinterest image sizes for you in the description box below the video. All right, so if you have any questions about Pinterest image sizes, more questions about it, ask me below in the comment section. Like, share this out, subscribe, and click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And thank you for watching. And also, I will also put a link in the description box about my Pinterest pinning powerhouse package, in which I help you set up your Pinterest account. Okay, and with that you get a 30-minute free complimentary consultation session. Okay, and so thanks for watching, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.